Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bill with William Model India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I think there are a few more people in the waiting room. We'll wait another 10 to 15 seconds. Once again, a very good morning, everyone. The disclaimer across our standard disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Last session, that is on Friday, Nifty made a new all-time high. That is reclaimed the previous all-time high of 20,220, and it closed above that level. And most of the investors who have taken positions or who have invested in the market have made good set of returns in the last 1.5 month. Nifty bottomed out around 18,800, and from there around more than 1,400 points rally was there. And in the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, if you observe, Nifty action is very good. It is very constructive as well. Volume has been above average, and Nifty was able to close near the day's high, a very positive sign. And also, during the weekend, we have seen state elections. The results have been come out as well. Out of four, three states have seen majority from the BJP. So it's a very positive step. That is what analysts are expecting. And if the and going forward for the parliament elections as well, and major states having majority from the BJP, so we are expecting a more stable government at the center. So that will be a more positive outcome. So we might see Nifty advancing higher as well on the side. But we do not indulge in any political analysis, but just for the sake of it, we are mentioning. And in Telangana, we have seen Congress taking the majority and forming government. On the market status front, we have changed the market status to confirmed uptrend on the Friday session because Nifty has made a new all-time high. So from here, we will be turning more bullish on the markets and will be slightly aggressive when compared to the rally attempt phase for adding stocks to portfolio. By meaning aggressive, we are not going to be completely aggressive, but we still look out for strong breakouts which are fundamentally strong. And if the technical breakout is on the stronger side, definitely we will consider for adding to portfolio. And from here, it is also important to track weakness in the market. Distribution days help us to track weakness. If there is any sharp fall on the Nifty index and higher volume, definitely we will consider that as a distribution day, and we will mark it on our mails as well. Some of the companies which are in news and which will be under radar is Hindustan Unilever has signed a strategic partnership with Brookfield to set up a solar energy park with a capacity of 45 megawatts in Rajasthan, and this will help the company to achieve or to move towards more net zero target that the company has put up. Siemens AG will buy around 18% stake in Siemens India company from its holding company at a share price of 29.50 rupees, which is a discount of 20% compared to the last closing price. Sales of automobile companies for the month of November have come up. We have taken only a share of sales here. Royal Enfield sales have increased 13% in the month of November, year-on-year basis to 80,000 units. On the exports front, the growth was just 2%. So majorly the growth was driven by domestic consumption. So exports grew only 2% to 5,100 units. Tata Power has won an order or bid to acquire a transmission project, a special by by a special purpose vehicle set up by PFC Consulting, which is a subsidiary of PFC itself. And in this transaction, the company will maintain this project for a period of 35 years for a project for a cost of 1,500 crores of rupees. Moving on to the global market update, during the weekend, that is on Friday night, overnight, the US market closed in the positive territory. All three major indices which we track, Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones, closed more than 0.6 to 0.8%. Asian markets are trading in the mixed territory. You can see Nikkei and Shanghai are trading in the negative territory, whereas Kospi is trading in the positive territory. Nifty is indicating a positive opening for the index. It is trading at 20,611, again a new all-time high. And if the investors take this uh, results of state elections in a positive way, definitely we will see Nifty advancing further higher and making a new all-time high in the today's trading session as well. For the chart of the day, we picked Polycab. It is trading or forming in the handle portion of stage 2 cup with handle. On the ratings wise, it is looking very good. You can see EPS is at 95, which is almost the highest, and ROE is also very good at 19%, indicating very fundamentally very strong character. You can see the amount of growth the company has generated in terms of sales as well as in the bottom line as well. You can see consistent double-digit growth has been generated by the company. That is the reason EPS is at a very high 95. RS has come down slightly. You can see this is because the stock has been consolidating in a cup with handle base, whereas the Nifty has moving higher and higher. So that is the reason for RS coming down, but that's not a major sign of concern. It is still at a higher zone as well. 75 is considered a very good rating. Another parameter, that is number of funds, which is a very good section for this company as well. You can see consistently the company has been able to attract new fresh funds to be invested into the company. You can see there has been a consistent growth in the last 4 quarters, and the base formation has been very ideal. You can see during the base formation the volumes have trailed up, and in the when it came to handle portion or to the right side of the base, sudden surge was there in the volume section, but on the breakout, that is still 4% to pivot. The volume increases further and further, and the breakout happens on above average volumes. Definitely a very strong contender to add it to portfolio. If you are looking for any fresh additions, also you can consider this stock after breaking out from its base. Thanks for joining today's pre-bell. Have a good trading session.